Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going Christmas shopping and the first store we're going into is Target. Okay guys, so we're over here. I'm sorry for the background noise. So the only thing I see that I like squishies are these, and these are the My Little Pony squishy fashions. What are these ones? Oh, Paw Patrol, those right there. We have Barbie and more My Little Pony. Let's just see. Ooh, Gudetama. Ooh, okay. So here's Gudetama. I do love Gudetama. How much are these? Doesn't say. I think these are $3.99. So they're really cool. So, where else should we go? And also, my brother is looking for Pokemon. Of course, boys, they love Pokemon. Oh, and there's more of these ones right here. So I'm gonna go back to the toys and see if there is anything good there. Okay, guys. So over at the girls section, and I see the LOL dolls. They have the dolls. And finally, I found the animal ones. So these are $9.99. So I'm gonna get one of these ones. Yeah, they have a bunch at Target right now. So let's get one. They have Num Nums here. Do you want Num Nums? They do have these Squishies, the soft and slow. These are $9.99, so they're $10 too. And look at the Shopkins. There's still, I think these are like the newest ones that are out right now. There's these fun packs. Just those Shopkins. Not anything really brand new. So, you guys can do a little squish test on the soft and slow. They have this. This is like a banana. So I found like pretty squishy. And have a peanut butter jelly sandwich. These are really squishy. And this pink one. I like almost all these. A couple of these are like really dense. That one. So yeah, come to Target. They have a bunch of these right now. So if you want these soft and slow squishies, I recommend coming to Target because, oh my gosh, they have buckets, a whole bunch of them here. So I'm going to get here is I'm going to get this LOL Pets and this Gudetama blind bag. That's all I'm going to get here. Next store is Party City, and that's where we'll pile up for toys and squishies. Alright guys, all done. Now going to Party City. And Party City is just right over there. So, let's go. Yay, we found a whole wall, you guys. So, I'm going to pick out the ones and I'll show you a haul in the car. There's so many, so I'm going to switch a couple for you guys. This one, they have these guys. These are like straight to the road guys. Squishy. They have these express squishies. They have french fries. They have panda buns up there, but I traded with my friend. So I have quite a bit. They have these like weird squishy guys. Bunch of emojis here. They have mini ice cream. Some of these are kind of dense. And they have squeezables. So there's almost really soft. And they have mini squeezables. They have a bunch of donuts. And they have pineapples like shades. We have a bunch of these like mini ones. So I'm going to do a little haul. So first we went to Target. And I got this LOL doll surprise. It's not dolls, it's actually pets. Then I got Gudetama. He's a lazy egg. Pretty cool. Then we went to Party City. We found squishies. So this was like $2. I got emoji. The bun, really squishy. And then we found these ones. These were 10. It's this rainbow chawa. I don't know if this is chawa. I don't know, really. They have a bunch of them on this side. So squishy. And so surprising. So this is a rainbow. Very cute. Okay guys, so now we're going into Walgreens to hopefully find some squishies. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do a short thing that I got Walgreens. So I got this lip smacker. This is, doesn't say what flavor, but it's like a ginger girl. And you get 3 lip smackers. I got, if you guys don't know, I love Yummy Roads, so I found like a giant box. So I'll be opening this on my channel. I got like candy, so I got lemon drops. And I got 2 Kinder Joys. I got a Num Noms Series 2. Here's a little. And I got GAC, so like slime. So I got green and orange. That is all that I got at Walgreens. Yep. Bye guys. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. If you guys want me to open up all my stuff, make sure to leave down in the comments below. Alright, bye guys.